Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I am doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. This box retails for $24 something, about 25 bucks a month. You get 4 to 5 to 6 full-size, sample-size, deluxe-size products. And here is what it looks like this month. It says Fresh Start, which is very fitting for the new year. There is a card in here that tells prices, which I so appreciate. Biggest pet peeve ever, Ipsy, when you don't include prices. First thing in here I'm not excited about. This is by Dr. Brandt. This is the DNA Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I'm not excited about this because Dr. Brandt is not cruelty free, so I will not be using that, but I do hear great things about the brand. And for $82, it better be great, but not going to use that. Next thing in here by Laura Geller. This says High Def Glow Illuminating Duo in the shade Heart of Gold. Well, that's cute. Okay. It's got a little mirror and then 2 shades there of highlight. What? What? Let me really get in there. Okay, no, that's awful. I'm sorry. $33. And that's the payoff. I'm not a fan of that. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, moving on to, ooh, Bali Balm. This is a lip balm. This is Sweet Orange and Coconut, which I am pumped for. This is the $33, which is crazy for a lip balm, but these are so good. They're one of my favorite lip balms. And oh, it's cute packaging too, and I'm super excited about it being orange coconut. I'm just gonna throw some on right now, see if it's got a color to it. It does not. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, I love the way that feels. I love the way it smells. This is literally one of my favorite lip balm brands. I've never actually bought one full price because I got 2, I think, in my Boxycharms in the past years. So love that. Great, great brand if you guys don't mind spending the money on it. Pharmacy. This is the Deep Sweep BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I had to read that like 3 times because it did not sound right in my head. It's a very heavy bottle. Retails for $28. I do like Pharmacy. They make my favorite like balm makeup remover. The only one I really use. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't use toner very often at all. I really should, but I don't. What do you smell like? Kind of minty, but I really like the color of it. I just probably won't use it. I have like one toner that I use and I use it rarely, so I usually pass on toners when I get them because I just don't use them, which is so bad. Last thing in here, this is by Ciate London. It's the Velvet Eyeshadow Palette and it retails for $30. I like the outer packaging. It's a pretty color. I'm hoping that means it's going to be like a mauve-y color story because I do like those. If I can open it, I'll tell you. I really, really should not swatch this because I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I need to use. This is really pretty packaging. It feels like soft touch matte, like NARS packaging. I can't open anything. Ouch, just pinched my finger. That is so pretty. There's a little insert. There is a mirror. Those shades are gorgeous. I have to swatch. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, these feel amazing. They're so soft, so buttery. That one's not as good. I've only, oh, that yellow feels wet. It feels like a ColourPop shadow almost. Yes, okay, let's do a matte shade. Ooh, even the mattes feel super soft. right there. Okay, yes, I am a fan of this. I can tell you that already. I'm very excited to play with this palette. It's so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited. This color story is like right up my alley too. Really, really pretty. Okay. Is that it? Yeah, quick recap. Palette, 30 bucks. Super excited, I think it's really pretty. This I'm not excited about just because I don't use it, but I should, and it's a good product to get. And if I knew, I do know, that's why I don't want to keep it, but if I could make myself use it, it'd be great. The Bali Balm Lip Balm, I'm super pumped about, love this stuff. The Laura Geller, I don't want this. The payoff on there is just non-existent to me, and the color looks like it's going to be very not flattering on me. And this is not cruelty free, so I don't want it. But yeah, not the best showing. I'm like, 2 I really like, 2 I really don't, 1 I'm like about. So not the best Boxycharm I've ever gotten, but I'm not like super disappointed either, I guess. But that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.